Hi, my name is Scott Tobin with Xeos Technologies, and today I'm here to tell you about the Rover. So the Rover is a surface beacon that uses GPS and Iridium, and it's used to track, monitor, and recover surface assets like a navigation buoy or a drifting buoy of some kind, or you can use it on surface vehicles. They've been known to use these in the past. So to use it, all you have to do is install it on your asset. The Rover is a self-contained beacon, so it's got all the batteries and antennas and everything right inside. So once you put this on your vehicle or buoy, you just need to turn it on. So by installing the batteries will power it, or you can use the reed switch here at the top with the swipe on, swipe off barcode. And then you connect to Xeos online, you'll get those GPS messages coming through there, or send right to your email, and you'll be able to communicate with the Rover while it's in the field. So some of the features of the Rover, one of them is the long lifetime and low power transmissions. So if you leave it as default settings, so a message every 3 hours, you'll get about 2 years out of it before you have to replace the batteries or go out and service the beacon. The Rover also has dual antennas, so it has GPS and Iridium antennas at the top and the bottom. So if you're on a platform that flips over and your asset is in trouble, you'll actually get a capsized message from the Rover and still receive those position messages, so you can go out and service it or get it back. The Rover also has a magnetic battery core, so to keep batteries from moving around if the asset or the beacon gets jostled or bumped, it actually has a magnetic core, so these batteries will stay in place, they won't rub against each other, and they won't fall out. And there's also a watch circle feature to the Rover. So when you put it out in the field, you can enable this watch circle feature. It will get its center of the circle just by getting a few positions, and then you can set a radius for it to set a geofence, and if it passes that barrier, if it goes outside the circle, you'll get an alarm message, and you can set some more things around that to make it easier for you to know if there's trouble out in the ocean. So that's the Rover beacon. It's been used all over the world, everywhere from the Arctic down to the Southern Ocean. And if you're interested and want more information, please give us a call. If you have a valuable instrument package going deep in the ocean and you want to get it back, put a Xeos beacon on it.